Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the use state without using these IDs. That means here in the details it is an array of object, it doesn't contain any IDs. So how could we display on the browser? How could we map it? If we do mapping on the browser, it is going to give some warning. To avoid that warning, how to handle this? That is the purpose of this video. So let's take one constant state variable. We could take that one emp comma set emp, and here use that use state and get that array of objects name details here. Control C and put it here, Control V, and let's display those here. So here emp in the JS format, JavaScript format, emp and why? Because if it doesn't contain any, that means if it is empty, it will not it will not going to do the mapping. Without checking this one, if you go for mapping, some errors will come. To avoid that one, we should use that emp and here, and Control V and dot map it here, and use that one more parenthesis user or emp some kind, you can give anything, comma, and we should later we'll add some one more parameter here. Now let's consider here return and try to display these values on the browser, h1 or h2, h5 or any kind of tag you can use, and the two first name first, first name colon, and at the same time use the JS format and display user dot first name first, first name, select it, and Control C Control V for shortcut. Use that last name, last name, and here also do some changes. Use that last name, and we go for to show on the browser, just format. Look here, just refresh it, values are coming but warning is showing. So just give the small break here, br, and look here, output some separation is coming. Even though if you do that, it's not, it is still showing unique key is expecting. So to fix that warning issue here, we should take the one more index parameter here and get that index value here as a key property. We can pass it here, Control V, then we can avoid this warning. Look here, it is not showing any warning, and at the same time initial what are the values we have in the details. Let's display here, simply console it, Control spacebar shortcut, click on it, and within double quotes give the details, after that give the comma and display the details. So initial values what we have here, we can look here, see these are the initial values, these are the initial, but there is no index value. So to show that index value also, we can simply use that h4. Instead of that one, we can do Control C Control V, and we are not adding, but just we are going to show on the browser only. That means it is not adding this index value anywhere in the array of objects, but we can show them user ID or something, ID or index, like that. We can give value is index. index. Look here, id is 0, id 1, id 2, but it is not adding in the details or anywhere. Just for sake of our understanding, we are using this one. It's not required here. We need to focus on key equal to index. Even though if you don't have the IDs, while you are mapping this, to avoid this warning, we can add the index here and use that index as a property value for the key, so that we can avoid the warning, right? And here we have the warning. To remove this, just simply add here 0. That's it. Error gone, I mean warning gone, and refresh it. What is happening? Yeah, here we should remove these array brackets. Then successfully completed. Look here, no warnings, no errors at all. It is executing as expected. These are initial details. These are the displaying on the browser without any warning, because by using this we avoided the warning. So if you want to use that without IDs to reduce the warning, we have to use that index while mapping. Just add this index and provide to the key property as a value. Just look the code and logic here. That's it, friends. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.